Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 3, more on Windows 7. Let's start it.
Windows has many utility programs for day-to-day applications and entertainment. These additional programs are known as accessories. Example, calculator, notepad, Windows Media Player, sound recorder, system tools, etc.
Here we are talking about Windows 7 operating system. Now the question arises, what is operating system? So operating system is a software that is installed in our computer which helps to interact and communicate with computer. It is an interface between user and computer. Or we can say that operating system is like a bridge between us and computer, as we can see in this diagram. Hardware can be our computer system. Operating system, there are various types of operating system like Windows, Apple, OS X, Linux, and next is end user. End user is the person who is using the computer. Without operating system, we cannot work on computer system. Operating system is a system software. This system software does everything on the computer, or we can say that operating system is a system software which is responsible of everything what is done over the computer. Let me give you an example of nervous system. Students, as we can see here, a human nervous system diagram. As we all know that brain is only part of our body that can control and manage all the other parts of our body. That means we can say that brain is responsible for each and every actions done by other parts of our body. We are having a nervous system that is spread throughout our body, and brain uses this nervous system to pass signals to other parts of our body, and according to that signals our body part reacts or perform action. Here, as nervous system is responsible to communicate between body parts and brain, likewise operating system also makes a link between hardware and user. There are so many types of operating system we are having: Windows, Apple, Linux, Unix, etc. Nowadays, among all the operating system we are having, Windows 7 is getting much more popular. Windows 7 have many utility programs for our daily lives, through which we can listen music, watch movies, do calculation, type a Word document, etc. Now the next questions what arises is, what is utility programs? Utility programs are certain small software that are designed to do some specific kind of work, to manage our computer as well as to help or entertain users too. Here some of the example we have seen in this chapter, that is notepad, calculator, sound recorder, multimedia player, etc. Notepad is used to type documentation or to do documentation work. Calculator is used for doing calculation. Sound recorder is used to record sounds. Window media player is used to listen music or watch videos. Disk cleanup is used to clean the memory or to clean the computer memory. All these utility programs is called accessories. In this chapter we are going to see some of the accessories in detail. Let's move on to the chapter.
Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player runs and organizes digital media files, both audio and video, available in computer memory. We can listen to radio stations from all over the world if internet connection is available. This software allows us to play, copy and create CDs and DVDs, and copy music and video to portable devices.
The accessories we are reading is Windows Media Player. As we all are familiar with the Windows Media software, this software is used to run or play audio or video files in our computer, as well as the files from internet too. That means with this software we can not only play a music file or a video file that is saved in our computer, but we can also listen the music file or watch videos that are not saved in our computer by using internet or by using any pen drive on which songs are saved. We can also listen worldwide radio station by using internet on this software. We cannot only listen music or watch videos on this software, but we can also copy and create our own CD and DVD with selected songs that is saved in our computer or from internet. Let's move on to the next topic.
Copy the contents of a CD in your computer. We can copy songs from our favorite music, CDs or DVDs onto our computers with Windows Media Player. When we rip music, we are copying songs from a CD to a computer. After the songs have been copied to our computer, we can use Windows Media Player to play and organize songs, create playlists and copy music to a portable.
RIP, rip or copy CD to your computer. This is a very general process that we have done several times in our daily life. Copying CD content onto our computer is known as ripping the CD. That means when we save the CD or DVD songs or music files to our computer, then that process is known as rip or copy CD to our computer. As we have saved all the CD songs to our computer, then we are no need longer of that CD to play the songs. That means next time whenever we wish to listen the CD song, we only have to go to the computer folder where we have stored that CD content or data and play it in our Windows Media Player. This ripping process is not only done on the songs or video files. Any data, that means any type of data, it can be a document, it can be any image file, it can be any software, can be stored from the CD to the computer, is known as ripping the. Let's look at the steps of copying CD data to our computer. The first step is to click on the Start button that is present on the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. After clicking on the Start button, a Start menu will pop up on the screen and select all program from that list. Then choose Windows Media Player from the list.
Insert an audio CD in the CD drive. You will see the list of songs stored on the CD in the Windows Media Player. Clear the checkboxes next to any song that you do not want to rip.
Okay, here in the second step, we have to insert the CD into the CD drive, and as we inserted the CD into the CD drive, we are able to see all the songs that is stored in our CD is going to be displayed on our monitor. That means in the Windows Media Player screen. Next, whichever songs we want to copy on the computer, we have to select those songs by just clicking on the checkbox in front of those songs, or we can also select all the songs of the CD by selecting all songs checkbox at the top of the screen.
Use the checkbox at the top of the list Just select or clear all checkboxes at once. When you are done with the selection process, click on Rip CD. The ripping process will start and you will see the rip status of individual song. To stop the ripping process at any point, click on Stop Rip button.
Okay, next step, after the selection of the song on the list, we have to click on the Start a Rip button that we get on the Windows at the top left corner. Next, at any moment, if we want to stop the ripping, then we also have a button that is Stop Rip.
Click on Rip Settings button to change the format, audio quality of ripped music files, or you can keep the default Windows Media format settings. The songs are ripped to the Windows Media Player library. After the songs have been ripped, go to the library to play them.
After ripping process, all the songs that we are having on the CD, all the selected songs from the CD are going to be stored in our computer system, that is on the Windows Media Library, and next time whenever we want to listen those songs, we just have to enter into the Windows Media Library and play them with the Windows Media Player to listen the songs.
Students, note the fact MPEG, pronounced as MPEG, stands for Moving Picture Experts Group. MPEG 7, the latest generation technology, is a container format for multimedia content, including video, audio, subtitles, and still images. It works using the data streaming, that is, by transmitting data streams to the receiving device. MP7 files have the extension .mp7. Alright students, now let me give you a tip that you can also burn a CD using software like Nero, ExpressBurn, etc. Okay, now let us learn how to copy data to CD, burning CD.
Okay, so the next topic is copying data to CD. This process is also termed as burning a CD. Burning a CD or copying data to CD from computer is just the reverse process of copying any CD to our computer system. Look at this picture to understand the difference between the copying a CD and burning a CD. Copying a CD, that means when we store CD data into our computer, then that process is termed as copying a CD or ripping a CD. Next is burning a CD. Burning a CD is just the reverse process of copying a CD data into our computer. That means when we save computer data into a CD, then that process is termed as burning a CD. This is all for now. Next week we will see the burning a CD in detail. Thank you.